Hey everyone! So I just finished Black is King and I wanted to make a Beyonce cake to celebrate her stunning achievement. But I only have 30 minutes. Actually, I only have about 20 minutes. So we're gonna try to create this cake in under 30 minutes. This is a picture I'm working with. I've never created a face cake in under 4 hours. So 20 minutes, let's see. Go. Good, go. Okay, so I'm starting with a skull cake. This is what I usually use for all my beauty cakes because it's got the right shape. So I cut it in half and then I'm just gonna push it down. I don't have enough time to spread. And then we're just going to add buttercream. It is so hard to get all of the buttercream into all of the skull crevices. So if you use a glove, you can just get it into the eye sockets, get it everywhere you need it to be super easily. Watching this on camera makes me not want to eat cake, but that's okay. So I need to add fondant. I've got to shape her nose a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit of fondant for her nose, just like this. Okay, she's got a tiny nose. And then she has her mom's chin. That's a chin. I mean, it's shaped like a chin. Her cheeks are pretty full too, so I gotta add some fondant there too. And the eyes are too sunken in, so I'm gonna add fondant there too. Usually I would do this with cake dough, but I'm scared that the cake ball dough will be too soft because this can't go in the refrigerator. Is it? Okay, so, yeah, okay, that looks okay. Put this over here. I need to roll the fondant so I can cover the face. I didn't know what skin tone she has. She's always lit differently in every picture, so I'm like, I don't know how dark she actually is. I don't know how light her skin is. I don't know, but I tried to do my best. It's like 100 degrees in Los Angeles. And I got all these lights on without the air conditioner. Okay, there we go. It looks like a face. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the cheekbones. And then we're going to cut away the excess fondant. I just push it underneath the cake so that it looks pretty. How does she look? She looks like a mommy. Let's work on her nose first. I want to make sure I get the ball of her nose right. Oh, okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty close to it. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. Where's her eye? How the like that? Okay, like right here. Yeah, I bet you this won't be symmetrical. Please, just be symmetrical. I don't want one eye to be lower than the other, but it's happened before. I think that's good. 12 minutes ago. Okay, her chin is way too big. Her lips are like right here, right? And they're full, so we gotta just scooch this to create her lips. We'll fix it in the paint. We'll fix it in the paint, but her chin is too big, so what do? I'm gonna cut. Oh my god, why do her lips look like that? It's terrible. Come on, work with me, 12 minutes. Okay. And now we have her face. Does it look like it? This looks exactly like the picture. What do I do now? It's time to do her hair. So I'm gonna roll out all of the hair fondant. Gosh, it's so hard. That's what she said. She said that. So this is for, does it cover her cheeks? No, it doesn't. Like that. Oh, and then I should double for her bangs. Like this. Take this. Get out of the way. Oh, stop. Don't. So, texture to the hair to make it look realistic. She looks like a mummy. Oh, white. I need white for her eyes. I forgot. There we go. Oh, God, I told you they're not even. How do I? Just push. Alright, so I've got my food coloring here so I can start painting. Let's do the roots first, right? Come on, black. And then she has like highlights with brown. I'm just gonna dilute it. Oh, it's too dark. Okay. Hopefully this works. Dilute in the highlights. Eyebrows are so hard. She's got like this really nice arch. Yeah, that's looking really good actually. Wow, this eyebrow looks better than the other one. Oh, I screwed it up. How do I fix this? Okay, oh god, I gotta just make the same mistake on this side. We gotta do her eyes, so she has a nice cut crease. A really nice cut. Out here? How big is that wing? I think it's like that. Oh, and then eyelashes. Cut crease again. all the way out. This wing needs to be more defined, so it needs to go out more. What is it? What should I do next? Her lips. So she's got a nice brown, reddish lip. Got her lips. Oh, that's actually a really nice shade. Oh, how beautiful. Those lips look nice. That shade. Oh my god, that could be a matte color. Okay, so we need to add a little bit of blush to her cheeks. Because her nose is so small, maybe we contour it just a little bit over here. Is that how you contour? And then her forehead too is darker on the sides. So contour that too, right? Is that how you contour? I think that's how you contour. I don't know what I'm talking about. So I need to darken up here. And then I can just pretend that her chin is smaller. Said black. Is her chin smaller? I don't know how to do this. It's like, it's got such a nice arch. Maybe I made it too small. And then this doesn't have enough of an arch because it should go up higher. Oh, come on. She has like shadow under her nose. So, how do I dilute the shadow? Oh gosh, it's too dark. Oh my god, that looks terrible. She looks like she's having a black nosebleed. Oh, her eyes. I need to do her eyes. And her, what? How did I miss that? Oh, she has brown eyes. Oh my god. Brown. 10 seconds. Okay. No. Oh my god. Oh, that's red. What happened? I thought I was doing well, and then I gave her a red eye. I actually touched the red food coloring instead of the black, which is now why she has a red eye. Oh, this looks terrible. I thought I was gonna do a good job, or a decent job at least. I'm so sorry. This is so offensive to the queen. But I tried my best. On a scale from 1 to 10, is this like a 0 or a -1? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me destroy Beyonce's face in a cake form. Let me know in the comments what other celebrity you'd like to see me create in under 30 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you watch Black is King. It is pretty stellar. I love you guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye.